Good morning. Are you Aiden Dickinson?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Dickinson, did you get someone hired?
No, Your Honor.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to James R. Martin, who quoted me $7,000. Reverend Jackson quoted me $7,500, and the Gertz Kelly Law firm that quoted me $6,000.
Okay. And so where are you on being able to get someone hired?
Your Honor, when I did apply for court-appointed lawyer, I had a higher paying job, but since my arrest, I got suspended from my job.
Okay.
Now I only make like $800 a month. I have a car and a apartment lease.
Okay. So thank you for doing what I asked you to do, Mr. Dickinson. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork again this morning, and I'll take a look at it to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true, and I'll take a look at it then. If you'll step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Michael Garrett.
Michael Garrett. No response, Your Honor.
It's going to be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at $100,000. Aaron Riley. Good morning. You're Aaron Riley?
Yes.
And Miss Riley, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
I spoke with Ms. Holly Holmes, and she quoted me like $5,000. And I spoke with, I can't remember the name of the guy.
Did you write it down?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
I wrote it down, but I left it at home.
Okay, so who else do you think you talked to?
I don't know what the other names are.
Okay. Don't you think that would be important to bring?
Yes,
Since I
ma'am.
asked you to bring that and have their names?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me just a second to look at something. I'm printing something out. Stand up. Miss Riley, if I test you this morning, are you going to have something in your system?
No, ma'am.
Have a seat in the jury box. Let's check that first. Did she by chance talk to that girl? Did she? Okay. I think that's the issue. I just looked at something. No, Miss Riley, come back up. I'm gonna hold doing that test. Do you have a job, Miss Riley?
No, ma'am, I'm applying for Social Security.
You don't receive it yet?
Not yet.
Have you already applied?
Yeah, I've already applied.
Is there a lawyer helping you with that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Did they tell you how long it's going to take for you to find out?
Probably about 6 more months.
Yeah. And you're not working?
No, ma'am.
When's the last time you held a job?
That's been a while. It's like 2019.
Okay. Do you see,
Mental health?
mm-hmm,
Yes, ma'am.
who?
Spindletop?
You go to Spindletop?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you going now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely, and then I'll take a look at it, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. Daryl Albritton. Good morning, you're Daryl Albritton?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get someone hired, Mr. Albritton?
Well, Marcus, I gotta make a down payment. Well, child support been done it with my check. That's my.
I can't understand a word you're saying. Speak up.
I'm sorry. I said I'm gonna go with Will Marcus.
Mr. Wilkerson?
Yes. I'm
Okay.
gonna start making a payment this week for him. But child support been done it with my check, so that's why it took me a while to.
No, you've been coming for a while. So when you say start making a payment, how long is it going to take you to get him hired?
I get him hired this week.
Okay. This is going to be the last reset. So I'm going to give you a normal reset. That's 30 days to come up with enough to get him hired. If you do, make sure that you bring the paperwork to his office when you make that payment, and they'll tell you what to do. If it's not going to work out with Mr. Wilkerson for some reason, you need to try to hire someone else or talk to at least 3 others, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk, please. Brissa De Hoyos. Good morning. Are you Brissa De Hoyos? Give me just a second, Ms. De Hoyos. This is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 1622. You're charged with the second-degree felony offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon from September 19th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? So what I'm going to do, Mr. Hoyos, is since you've made bond, I want you to try to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to do that. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer, and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to when you come back, so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? Step in front of the clerk. John Gray. John Gray.
John Gray. No response, Your Honor.
Bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at $100,000. Roderick Guillory. Good morning. Are you Broderick Guillory? And Mr. Guillory, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 1716. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of burglary of a building from February 3rd of 2024. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? All right, so what I'm going to do, Mr. Guillory, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, then bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer, and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice.
Sign right in front of your name.
Treasurer Harris.
Sign right. I know.
Good morning, your Treasurer Harris. And Ms. Harris, did you get someone hired?
No, but I was able to
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to OP, I don't know say his name. And then I talked to Hawk Law and
Where is that?
in Houston where I stay.
Okay. How many, so who else you talked to, 2 or 3?
3, but one told me then they can't do this county.
Okay, did you try to talk to anyone from this county?
Mm,
Okay. How old are you, Ms. Harris?
29.
Okay. And are you working?
No ma'am, I'm a full-time student.
Where do you go to school?
Lamar University, but I do it online.
So you probably could have a little job too.
Yeah, I've been trying, but due to me having an implementer, I haven't been able to do so.
Okay. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning since you did what I asked you to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk and she'll give you that paperwork. Devontre Johnson. Good morning, you're Devontre Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Johnson, were you able to get someone hired? Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Smith and Shipley, Brittany Holmes, and Wilkerson.
Okay, and are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working?
Looking at checkers.
Okay, so thank you for doing what I asked you to. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. Don't just leave blank or write zeros. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that. Sure, a bunch of them today. Caleb Jubert. Good morning, you're Caleb Jubert. And Mr. Jubert, you've got 2 cases. Were you able to get someone hired? Speak up, please. Who'd you talk to? Speak up.
Tommy Smith.
Say the first one. Hand it to the bailiff. So did you talk to him or somebody talked to him for you?
Me and my mom told him.
So are you do you go to MHMR, Spindletop? No? What's that written on here for?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know? So are you working? Why not? You don't
I
know?
ain't got a job.
Where have you been looking?
I had went to work. But I had to do my ID. I ain't had an ID.
Do you have your ID now? Okay. If I test you this morning, you gonna have anything in your system? Have a seat, let's double check that. Autumn Payne. Autumn Payne. Good morning, you're Autumn Payne? And did you get someone hired, Miss Payne? Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Reagan and Linda.
Speak up,
I
please.
talked to Reagan. I talked to Vivian and Jefferson.
Who's Reagan? Whole name, give me a whole name.
Reagan L. Lee.
Minaldi,
Yes, ma'am.
okay,
And then Benjamin Jeffrey.
okay.
And I also talked to, because there's another bit also I talked to.
Okay.
I can't report it right
Are you working?
now. I should be starting soon.
Where are you starting? Okay. So I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning. Thank you for doing what I asked you to do. I'm going to have you fill it out to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. You'll step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that paperwork. Jason Weinberg. Jason Weinberg.
Nathan Weinberg.
It's a big old designation docket. It's all right. Good morning. You're Jason Weinberg?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Weinberg, were you able to get someone hired? Who'd you talk
I
to?
do got some lawyers.
Okay, who'd you talk to?
I talked to Ferguson, Crenshaw Law Firm, Franklin and Franklin Associates, the Gertz, and Sheehan.
Okay. And are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working?
Popeyes.
Okay. So thank you for doing what I asked you to do, Mr. Weinberg. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk down there. She'll give you that paperwork. Tiffany Elair. At least you're doing what I asked. I can get some of them off this docket. Good morning, ma'am. You're Tiffany Elair. And Ms. Elair, were you able to get someone hired?
There was some discrepancies with my retirement that I was trying to get from my teacher's retirement. I wasn't aware that I was supposed to get your last day of the contract because they paid me through, even though they forced me to resign. That's how I was arrested, so I had to start their process over with the paying for the retirement. But I did get proof of unemployment last week.
Okay.
So I still want to go with Mr. Walker because he's going to give me 2 forms because he's chased in my divorce.
Okay.
So I'm planning on paying him as soon as I get my first payment or the retirement payment.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. So I'll give you another reset in order to try to get all that worked out. If you'll just make a note, it's, is it the Judge Walker or his son? Kyle. Kyle Walker, and she's working on retirement and unemployment. She's going to pay him with that. She'll give you a reset. Thank you, ma'am. Jalen Eli. Good morning, sir. You're Jalen Eli. And Mr. Eli, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to? Burbank?
Yeah, Burbank.
And is that who you're going to hire?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
When are you going to be able to get him hired?
Well, I just like my job, it can go by like seniority. Like I'm in focus right now working. I just got back last month, so I should be sober.
Okay. Looks like this is your second time or third time here, so you need to try to get him hired before that next court date if you can. Okay. And if you make a payment and you haven't hired him all the way, bring a receipt. Also, if you haven't been able to hire him, did you bring pay stubs today as well? Okay, bring that next time. I'm going to give you some time to get him hired. If for some reason that doesn't work, bring that as well when you come back. Okay, step in front of the clerk. Darian Broussard. Darian Broussard.
Judge, he's present with a 7-year-old. He was trying to call for a sitter.
Okay.
He's right outside the door. He said someone's gonna come.
Okay, but they're not here yet. Let me hold it till the end and see if somebody comes. I'll just hold it for a minute. Kelvin Johnson. Kelvin Johnson.
He's here, but
Kelvin Johnson. Oh, no, that's,
yeah.
Mr. Broussard?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on up, Mr. Broussard. And then if you'll call Kelvin Johnson, he'll be next. Good morning, sir. You are Darian Broussard?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Broussard, were you able to get someone hired?
I had a court appointment before I left here. He gave me his number and things, so we can talk about it.
Right, so you were here before with me, and I told you you had to try to hire a lawyer, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you not understand that?
Yeah, I actually, can I hire him?
Oh, you're gonna try to hire?
Yeah, that's why I was asking, can I hire him?
You can hire
He told me
whoever
I
you
could,
want
that's
to.
why that's why I was asking. I was asking him, he said, my court appointment, and I was like, can I hire you? He was like, yeah, and he like, he gave me free payment, like, we'll go.
When was that? At the last court date?
But
So
he never got in contact with me, I called, obviously,
you called him?
I had set an appointment to do a meeting with them.
Okay. I don't see Mr. Rojas here. Yeah, so your plan is to hire Mr. Rojas.
Yeah, that's what my whole plan was, to hire him.
I'm gonna reset your case one more time. You need to get Mr. Rojas hired, and if that's not gonna work out for some reason, then you need to talk to at least 3 other
I'm
attorneys.
tired.
And, but make sure you call, leave a message. Don't just assume that he sees something on their
Yes,
phone,
ma'am.
okay? Leave a message, tell him you wanna hire him. I'm sure he'll get back with you.
Yes, ma'am.
And don't wait till the week before court.
Yes, ma'am.
Start calling him this week. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you your reset notice. Kelvin Johnson,
No response from Kelvin Johnson.
his bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000. Anthony McFarland. Anthony McFarland.
Anthony McFarland?
Maverick Neal. I just need to put in Mr. Doyle.
Okay.
No response, Your Honor.
Mr. McFarland's bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000. My pen just died. Corbin Rayleigh. Good morning. You're Corbin Rayleigh? And Mr. Rayleigh, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
No, no.
Did you talk to some lawyers?
Yes, ma'am. Crenshaw, Walker Law Firm, Judge Wright.
Okay,
And I also talked to Beardy and Orange.
okay. Where are you on being able to get someone hired?
Beardy is the closest one.
Okay,
But I've been door dashing here, so,
okay. So you're trying to save up to get Mr. Bearden?
yeah.
All right, so thank you for doing what I asked you. I'm going to reset your case another 30 days or so to give you some time to see if you can get Mr. Bearden or someone else hired. If for some reason it's not going to work out with him, go ahead and call 3 others, bring me those names. You can tell they all have different payment plans and options and things like that, and then we'll discuss your options, okay? Step in front of the clerk.
That last one. That next one is the one you said I reset.
The last one is,
The, on that page. on the
oh, okay.
bottom of the page.
Thank you.
Sign, keep your sign on.
Kyle Whittington.
Thank you.
Good morning, you're Kyle Whittington.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Whittington, you've got 2 cases. Were you able to get someone hired?
Actually, this current job is actually like been reducing for me, so like I've been transitioned to a new job, which is a lot more higher paying, so that's gonna make it where I can actually get this lawyer that I'm wanting to actually get hired, so.
Who are you wanting to hire?
I think to do, Kelly, I think it was.
Tom Kelly?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, so thank you for working towards that, Mr. Whittington. I'm going to reset your case one more time to see if you can hire Mr. Kelly.
But I was gonna ask, like, because like 30 days, like with this transition to this new job, like I might need a little bit more than 30 days to do.
See where you get in 30 days. Bring me pay stub when you come back so that I know that you're working towards, that you have a job, what your income is, and then if you need a little more time after that, then I'll give you that option then. But I typically do 30 days so we can see where we are and everything.
I appreciate
Okay? Yes, sir. Step in front of the clerk.
Sign right there.
Thank you.
See, Mr. Nesmith,
Yes, Your Honor.
on Deshaun Robertson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir, please. Deshaun Robertson. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. First, impression in the court. One time.
Good morning, ma'am. You're Deshaun Robertson?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 0914, and Ms. Robertson's charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and what is the announcement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge, I'll jump in. We've been discussing, and Mr. Naismith has had to get on the discovery portal. He had a technical problem with that last week, but I think we're getting that worked through. And really, he just needs time to get familiar with the case, and we're already working it out, Judge.
Okay, sounds good. I'll just do a normal reset. It's about 30 days or so. Make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Naismith so that once he gets on that portal, gets all the information and discovery, y'all can go over it. We'll see if we can get a resolution, okay? All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, that's it.
They'll email it to you or send it through electronically.
Thank you.
Through the something.